Hello children, how are you? I hope all are fine at home. See, in today's class, we shall study about Let's Fly, the first unit of your GK textbook. So, you know children what is fly means? Fly means that move through the air using wings. See, do you know children aeroplanes fly? Yes, aeroplanes. How do the aeroplanes fly? With wings, means just like a wing shape the shape of the aeroplane will be. So here if fly comes means that comes in your mind that birds fly. So let us study today what how the birds fly and what do they do here. See, birds fly in the sky. Where do the birds fly? In the sky. They have two wings and one beak. See, two wings. Wings means what? They have the wings. It helps the birds to fly. And one beak. See, this is beak. Here, see, every bird has a beak there. And these are the wings. These are the wings. So let us see here. The first bird is which bird? This is a pigeon. See, the bird name is what? Pigeon. Pigeon. The spelling is given. You see, Pigeon. Pigeon. In ancient times, it was used to carry letters from one place to another. See, in the ancient time means in Hale Kaladalli. Okay, in ancient time, it was used to carry letters. So, just the pigeon was used to carry the letters. Letters means what? ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು one place ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲು just what we use this pigeon. So the next one is this is a woodpecker. It makes its nest in the holes of trees. See, woodpecker, just observe the bird children. What the woodpecker do here? It makes the nest. It makes the nest in the holes of the trees. Then the very next is the beautiful bird. See, each and everyone likes this bird. What is this? This bird is called as a peacock. Peacock is a colorful bird and it has a colorful feathers. See, this is a peacock. It is also called as our national bird. See, national bird of India is what? Peacock. It has a beautiful feathers. See, can you see here children? It has a beautiful feathers. The next one is, this is an owl. So, this is an owl. It hunts at night. It can eat frogs, rats and small birds. See, the owl, it hunts at night means it search the food at night. In daytime, the owl sleeps and it won't sleep in the night time. It can eat. What does the owl eat here? Frogs, rats and small birds. See, this is a parrot. Parrot, you know children, parrot is beautiful bird. Everyone wants to keep the parrot at home. So, some parrots talks and it has a variety of parrots there. Different types of parrots are there and different colorful parrots are there. It has a curved beak. See, can you observe here? The beak is curved and 4 toes. It has how many toes? 4 toes. Toes here, can you observe? Toes. The next bird is, this is a kingfisher. Yes. See, kingfisher means it eats what? Fishes. It catches the fishes. It is a very colorful bird. See, this kingfisher also very colorful bird and it eats the fish. This is an ostrich. See, the largest bird. See, among all the bird, the largest bird is the ostrich. And it cannot fly. See, some birds cannot fly, like ostrich cannot fly. And one more bird cannot fly, which is that? That is very familiar to you. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅದು? ನೀವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ ಆ ಬರ್ಡನ್ನು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆನ್, ಕಾಕ್. See, hencock also a bird which cannot fly. But it can, see here, the ostrich cannot fly, but it can run very fast. The fastest bird, the largest bird which can run very fast is ostrich. And it lays the largest bird egg in the world. See, have you seen children? The hen lays the egg. The egg size will be oval and it will be a very small. But the ostrich, what it laid the eggs is the largest bird egg in the world. The next is this is the hummingbird. Hummingbird is very small bird. It is the only bird in the world which can fly backward. See, backward andre just back in the haruttadu, front in the haralla. So backward, it flies backward. So here you see children, did you know ostriches can run faster than horses? See, largest and the fastest bird in the world is ostrich. And the males can roar like lion. Yes, roar means the sound. How does the male means just male ostriches, how do they do the sound? Like a lion. Lion ಹೇಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then here penguins also bird, but they do not fly, they walk. Penguins sleep while floating on the ocean. ಹೌದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? Penguins all they sleep while floating on the ocean. ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ, ಸಮುದ್ರದ just like icy ocean they float, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ನೋಯಿ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ penguins. So penguins found in the oceans, near the oceans which has a snow. I hope children you all got about these birds, which do they fly, which do not fly, and what they do. I hope you all understood this lesson.